Kahwa, the saffron kahwa. Na मैं ताकि नुकस बुद्रास में कुछ शेर. Shri Ram Suchi Mubarak. Happy birthday Shri Ram ji. So just hold on. फाक राम नवमी हुंद फाक फोन ही थो मैं मोला a cup of morning, ladies and gentlemen, the kawa. Elixir of life, that is known as Kahwa. Shri Ram ji. Jai ho Shri Ram ji की से. Chani Leelai Chi Namaskar. So ladies and gentlemen, millions of Indians with the name of Ram. Shri Ram is in the heart and soul of each and every Indian. And beyond India also, Ram Nayak, Ram Sevak, Ram Bro CS, Ram Dev, so many millions of people with the name of Ram. Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. And happy birthday Ram Navami, happy birthday Ram Navami, happy birthday Shri Ram ji, because we know that Shri Ram is the Maryada Purushottam Ram. We say that Maryada Purushottam Ram. We prefix Shri Ram with Maryada Purushottam Ram. What does Maryada Purushottam Ram mean? Maryada means live a disciplined life, live a responsible life, live a dutiful life. Duty, responsibility and discipline. 3 dimensions, 3 tridents, 3 principles of life. And that is what Sri Ram did. And even by being in 14 long years being in the jungles, in the forest, he just took kandmul and all that. He set examples for the whole of the nation, whole of the subcontinent of India, Bharatvarsh to follow, by just removing untouchability and just at the same time just doing away with the demons. Demons means the Ravan. He killed the negativity and killed the evil, killed the demons, and then just known as Maryada Purushottam Ram. He just upheld the righteousness, all the principles of life. He went thousands and thousands of miles away from Ayodhya in search of his wife, and he retrieved and got his wife Mata Sita. He got her back and got her to Ayodhya, and at the same time he renounced her after some time just to uphold the principles of Praja. I don't know, that is debatable whether it was right or wrong on his part to have left Mother Sita, but at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, Maryada Purushottam Ram. Ram, happy Ram Navami, happy Ram Navami, and happy birthday Sri Ram. Sri Ram ji, in spite of the upheavals and the very difficult life that Sri Ram had throughout his journey of life. He had to go for 14 years to the forest, and then just his wife was taken away by Ravan, and then he had to leave the kingship and also had to be departed from his wife Sita at the end fagend of his life, but still he upheld the principles of life and respected nature and environment. That is what is known as Sri Ramji. Happy Ram Navami. Thank you. God bless. Jai Ho Sri Ram ki Jai. Jai Mubarak Purushottam Ram ki Jai. Happy Ram Navami.